Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we will start our sixth lesson, new lesson, clothes. Let's warm up. Can you help Raghav to decide what he would wear and in which season? Okay, there is one simple activity, and you can help Raghav to decide what he would wear and which season. Okay, there is picture also. And the first picture, what is the first picture? They are drinking something, eating something. Second, girls with umbrellas. Third, maybe winter season. Okay, there is also options. We can help him. First, this summer season wear cotton clothes, and this rainy season wear this raincoat, and this winter season sweaters and all. Okay, this is the answer. Read on. Clothes are one of our basic need. It's very important thing in our life. Clothes are of one of our basic need, and what the children are talking there. I wear clothes to keep my body covered. I like to wear smart and comfortable clothes. I wear clothes to protect myself from heat, cold, and rain. Okay, then what is the need of this clothes? I wear clothes to keep my body covered. I like to wear smart and comfortable clothes. I wear clothes to protect myself from heat, cold, and rain. Then types of clothes. Clothes are made from the strands called fibers. Fibers are two types, natural fibers. There are fiber made from plants or animals, natural fiber. We get cotton from ball of cotton plants. You can see the picture, cotton tree. We get wool from the hair of sheep. See the picture. We get silk from silkworms. See. Okay, cotton. And this one is man-made fiber. Man-made fiber. These are fibers made by human factories using chemicals. Rayon, polyester, nylon are man-made fiber. A fact. Gandhiji introduced a very cool and comfortable fabric called khadi. He wove it on the charka. You can see the picture also. This one, charka. Try it yourself. Ask your teacher or elder teach you. Make a dress by paper folding. Okay, this is just activity only. Leave it. Try yourself. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. It is hot in summer. See the picture. So we wear cotton clothes. Summer we should wear cotton clothes because too hot season. They absorb the sweat and keep our body cool. And it is cold in winter. So we wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. They do not let the body heat escape. In rainy season, it rains a lot. We wear a raincoat or gumboots to keep ourselves dry. Raincoat and gumboots are made up of waterproof material. You can see the picture. Summer season, winter season, and rainy season. Care of clothes. Always wear neat and clean clothes. You should wear neat and tidy clean clothes. A hole in any dress should be mended. You should mend any hole in your dress. Woolen and silk clothes should be sent by dry cleaning. After using, woolen and silk clothes should be sent for dry cleaning. While storing woolen clothes, mothballs or dried neem leaves should be kept. This neem trees, otherwise mothballs, between their folds. This helps us to keep insects away. You can see the picture. Okay, today we learned summer, winter, rainy season, which dress we should wear. Summer we should wear fine cotton clothes. Winter we should wear woolen clothes. And rainy we should use raincoat, gumboots, umbrellas. Okay, so and you can take care of your clothes. Always wear neat and clean clothes. A hole in any dress should be mended. Woolen and silk clothes sent for dry cleaning. While storing woolen clothes, mothballs or dried neem trees should be kept between their folds. This keeps insects away. Okay, today's class over. Read your lesson very carefully. And today's class finished. Children, take care. Okay, read your lesson 2-3 times. Stay at home. Thank you and have a nice day.